Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And guys, this is our tutorial number 4, how to trade Bitcoin. And last time I showed you here on TradingView how to draw lines here, how to draw trend lines to the upside and to the downside. Today guys, I will show you the next big thing here. I'm working mostly here with parallel channel. Look at this. With a parallel channel you can make the deepest point like this here over this point to the upside like this here. And then you have here, you can see it if you're going to the upside here, a target to click, and the target is always here the highest point like this. And this is now an uptrend channel, and I told you yesterday guys, you need to color your channels because it's better to see. This is an uptrend, so we should give it the color green. You can give also the color here to these lines, like here on this point you can click on green, and now you have a beautiful green uptrend channel. And guys, what can we see with this uptrend channel? What is this for us, or what should we make with this? It's very important for me. The most drawings I made are these uptrend channels, guys. For the first point, you see on this channel a middle line. That's this blue dot line here. The middle line is always working as a resistance or as a support. Last time I told you what is support and resistance. Here for the short one, you have a support line. That's the baseline of this uptrend here. That's a big support line. I am making it green, extreme green, so you can see it. This is a support. What is a resistance? The resistance is always this uppermost line of my trend line or of my parallel channel here, and it's now acting as a resistance like this. We will make it red, so you can see it on this uptrend channel. You have always on the downside a green support, and you have always on the upside a red resistance. And the middle line, guys, is working as a resistance or as a support. It depends on where is Bitcoin momently. If we are zooming in a little bit, you can see, guys, these are our candles here. Every candle is in the 1 hour chart, one candle, and here you can see red and green candles. And here you can see Bitcoin is momently over this middle line. So what it is, this middle line is a red middle line. We can make it red like this, and it's acting momently. Sorry guys, that was a complete nonsense. It's green, and the green line is acting as a support. So guys, the green line is acting as a support, the red line is acting as a resistance. You can see Bitcoin is momently on 45,700, and it's now in the between of this green support and this red resistance. So guys, the best thing now you can make is one thing. You have a target. If it's going to the downside, you can click on the price label here, click on price label, and on this support line on the downside, and you can see, guys, if Bitcoin will go to the downside from here, you have a nice support about 51,700. That's a very nice support, and it means if you are not momently in a position, you are not long, you're not short, you're not bought, you have not sold, you are not in the market momently, you can set for you a buy point, and you can say, okay, if Bitcoin is coming down again to my support, this is maybe a good line, maybe a good point to buy, because if Bitcoin is going down, I can show you here with this brush, if it's going down like this, it's very possible to fight again this support line and to go to the upside also. So you have a good buy position here on the support line. The next thing is, guys, you have here with this red line to the upside a resistance line. You can see it like this. This is a resistance line. So if Bitcoin is going to the upside, and if you are momently in Bitcoin, you bought it on here on the support, or you bought it here on the downside at 43,000, perfect, and you're telling you're saying to you, okay, when should I sell my Bitcoin? You can see it, guys, here we have a red resistance line on 63,000, 63,600. So if Bitcoin will reach this line here to the upside, this red line, it's maybe not a bad point to sell your position and to take profit. And that's the main thing with these parallel channels. They are so important for us trader. They're so important to trade for you. If you are a complete noob and you know nothing, with this force video about trading from me, from Biti, you know a lot of things now. You know how to draw your lines to the upside, your trend lines or the down lines, and you know how to trade a parallel channel. You know what is a support, what is resistance, and you know now what is a good place to buy and what is a good place to sell. So a lot of guys are asking me, Biti, is now a good place to sell or is now a good place to buy? And I must say, guys, look at these videos I make for you, these tutorial videos. Every video a new thing, and every video I will promise you guys, you will come closer to your targets and to your buy points and to your sell points, and you will see like a great picture if all-in-one is working. How, or should you sell now or should you buy now? That's the great thing for the TA, for the technical analysis. It's very important. So okay guys, we are on the 1 hour chart. You can see it here, and we have here a good support and a good resistance. Let's go now guys in the 15-minute chart. So here is the 15-minute chart, and you can see it now guys. We are perfectly here in this position in the middle of this support and resistance. What do you see now? If you would like to make now very short trades, you can make a trade every minute. You can trade so in the time frame you would like to trade, it's no problem. If you see here in the 15-minute chart, this lowest point here, like this, or maybe like this, and you can make a line to the upside like this, and you can make a line to this highest point like this, and we can click here on the green stuff here, and the opacity is 100%. It's not good. You can give it to the downside so it's more transparent. You can see through this uptrend like this. Guys, what do you see now? What do you see now in the 15-minute chart? It's a perfect thing here if you would like to short trade here, or to trade in a short time frame, guys. It's so good here. For me, it's the perfect thing here. I can show you this here. Look at this. The bottom of this uptrend. For the first, you see a big uptrend, okay? On the hourly chart, I showed you the big uptrend. Now we are in the 15-minute chart, and this is an uptrend in the uptrend. It's also working. You have to know, guys, the time frame is important. You are trading a 4-hour time frame. You are watching it is more important for the most traders as a 1 hour or as a 15-minute or as a 5-minute time frame. But you can trade in this time frame you would like to trade. If you would like to trade every minute or every 5 minutes, you should see to a time frame like this, 15-minute or 5-minute or 1 minute. But for now, every candle is 15 minutes, and you can see this upgoing, nice upgoing parallel channel. And you can see, guys, where is the best place to buy, where is the best place to sell. You can see it. Bitcoin is coming down here from the upside like this. If we zoom here, it's coming down here. You can see Bitcoin respected the middle line. It fighted the middle line, but it broke through the middle line. It retested the middle line, and now it's going down to this point. And this was, you can see it, guys, this was a perfect point for a buy position here. So if we are zooming in, we can make a buy position to the lowest point, to this here, and this was so a good buy position with 45,000. Perfect buy in, 45,000. Why? Because of touching our line here, our support line. Now it's going maybe to the upside and maybe to the middle line, and you know, guys, the middle line is now our resistance. If this will happen, and if Bitcoin will go to this middle line, we have a red resistance line here like this, and we may see here a fight. We may see here a fight from Bitcoin from the lowest point for our uptrend to this point. So if you are trading the short term, you may see here your next target about this 57,500. And guys, that's a very nice profit. If you're making short trades, you can buy here to the downside and sell here on the middle line. If you can see, there is so much volume, and Bitcoin is striking about this over this resistance, and it's going up and up and more and more and more. You can say make a next target to the upside about 60,000. So we will make great profit here. You can make profit. You can see here with this measuring thing here from the downside to the middle line, you can make 5%, and to this upline you can make 10%. That's the thing. How easy it is to trade, guys. It's so easy to make your own drawings, to make your own parallel channels and your lines, and you can see if this happens, if it's go right or not. That are only a few things, guys. There are so much things I can show you on the next tutorials. That's only tutorial number 4, guys. And you are able now to see your buy point, to see your sell point. In every time frame you would like to see it, you're now able to see it. That's great, I think, for you as a new trader, as a beginner here. If you're going down a little bit here, and we will see about the daily chart. So maybe, guys, if you are thinking, no, I would not like to trade every day 10 trades. I would like only make a trade and I will let the money in. Is it a good point now to buy? Is it a good point now to sell? Guys, I show you. This is the daily chart. Every candle is 1 day. Look at the chart and tell me, guys, if it now is it a good place to buy here, or is it not a good place to buy here? In my opinion, it's not a good place to buy here. Why? I can show you, guys. You are with this parallel channel in a nice uptrend. Okay, that's right. But guys, it was a good place to buy here on the middle line. It was a good place to buy this point here, because this was our resistance. Now it's our support, and we are pumping from this support. This was a good place to buy. It was a good place to sell here on the upside. It was a good place to buy here on the downside. So it's momently for me not a good place to buy if you would make a long term, if you would make a investment about the long term, guys. It's better to wait a little bit. Maybe we will come down again to this middle line. It's acting as a support, and this is then a good place to buy. We can see here a price level about 51,800. This is, in my opinion, a good place if the support will hold. You have to set a stop loss. We may spike under this line, and I will tell you in the next videos what is a stop loss and how can you make more things, more drawings to see more. Guys, there are so much things I can show you on the next videos. This is only Trading View tutorial number 4, the parallel channels, and that's one of the most important videos, I think, or one of the most important things for you to have a quick overview in what position you are. Are you on the long or the short, or should you buy or should you sell? That's the first big thing here. Guys, thanks for watching this tutorial number 4. I wish you the best of luck, guys. It doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short. I wish you guys you make millions out there. And if you would like to give me a little donation for this help, for this tutorial, please see my description on YouTube. I have there PayPal, I have there Bitcoin and Ethereum. Also, you can send me a little donation and you will send me a big smile for this, guys. Thank you very much. I wish you the best of luck with your trades. Visit please also my Twitch TV Bitcoin Trading Informant live stream 24 hours 7 days a week. You can chat here with us and see a lot of information. And visit please also here the same on YouTube Bitcoin Trading Informant. Have a nice time. Greetings. Best of luck. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye.